Welcome back. In our previous video, we created the first set of second normal form tables. Tables like 2NF underscore department, 2NF underscore programs, 2NF underscore majors, and 2NF underscore minors. In this video, we'll now seed data into these tables using insert statements. Seeding means populating our schema with initial values so we can test relationships and queries later. So let's get started. So we will open our Sublime. Okay, this is the where we end up last time. So we can just continue here at the bottom because there's no worry because if the table age exists, it will just be deleted and we will create it again. So no things to worry. So now we populate first with the department. So we have here insert. Okay, we will have here. I think we can just easily to add here on. Okay, in this part. Okay, we can add here insert into 2NF underscore department. So I just put it in there after the creating of tables that you can see all the columns available on the particular table. So we don't need to scrolling up and scrolling down so that you can make it easier for you to understand. So insert tables and then we have here the columns that we need. The first is no need for department ID because that was automatically auto incremented. So we just here need a department code, department name. Okay, there's only two. Okay, and then we have here we need the values. Okay, for the values, we need. Okay, we have basically in this department we only have in College Bias Campus we have College of Art and Sciences, College of Industrial Technology, College of Criminology, and College of Business Administration, College of Fisheries. So let's include all of them. So let's start with CAS and College of um, Arts and Sciences. Okay, just comma. Okay, this class intended for department code, and this one class of sciences department intended for department name. So another one, we have to insert also class. No, it's CIT. It's industrial technology. Okay, it's we have here College of Industrial Technology. Um, we have here another one. We have the CCGE. College of Criminal Justice Education, and we can also have another one. Um, we have Fisheries. What is the college for that? CAF. I think CAF. We have College of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries. Forestries. Forestries. Okay, that's it. And we have on for campus too. We have um CBA, College of Business Administration, and we have last is CBA CICTED College of teacher education. Okay, that's it. So we have records, I think 6 records for our departments. Okay, so next thing we have to see also the program. So we will notice how we link to each department using department ID, which is a foreign key. So for example, okay, so we have here to generate we can have since we don't have okay, so basically this is one the department ID for this one because this is one that first generated, so it could be the department uh, ID is equal to 1. So this one every time. And then this one will be 2. And this one will be 3. And this one will be 4. And this one will be 5. And this one will be 6. Okay. So in order for us to be able to to make this always the time when we add I think because it will be dropped. I think it's also the same. Um, we will drop this department and create it. Okay, so by maybe it's still it will be the way we create the department ID is because it will be add it is auto incremented, so it would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So based on the programs that for the ID here, we're going to connect it on our programs. So for here, we have to insert into um, um, 2NF underscore programs. So in that we have to make the program code because we don't need now the program ID because it's auto incremented. So program code, program name, and department ID. So we have 3 data. So we have here for the values, we have to okay add okay for the program code. Let's start with the class. We have BSCS, and this is for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. And this one, this is because it's at under forecast. So we will just add because this one the form ID is equal to 1. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and we have another one from CAS. We have here BSINT. This one is Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Okay. Next will be for the College of Industrial Technology. We have only one BSIT, and we have here Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology. Okay, I forgot to add one the because we are still it is for College of Arts and Sciences, and this one will be 2 because that's for the College of Industrial Technology. And next will be for the College of uh, Criminal Justice Education. We have BS CREM, and we have here Bachelor of Science in Criminology. And this one will be the ID for 3. Okay, and for um, this is BSF, I think. This is Bachelor of Science in Fisheries, and this one will be 4 because that's for the college of it. CAF. Okay. We have here um, HM, BHHM, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, and this one will be for the department ID 5. Okay, still are still following. I know you can just very easy to follow. And we have here BSBA, a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Still have 5. And we have also BSOA, Bachelor of Science in Office, BSOA, Office Administration. Okay, it's also 5. Okay, so we have also another one for the College of Education. We have BS Ed, BS Ed, BS B Ed, sorry, it's BE Ed. Okay, that is Bachelor of Elementary Education. And this one will be 6. And this one will be last one, BS Ed. And this one will be Bachelor of Secondary Education. 6. Okay, so I guess these are the programs that we have in our campus. Okay, if you have missed up, I can you can also include. Make sure that you have to make a reference by their ID. Okay, and this one, it will be automatically created since this is an auto increment. So the program ID for this one will be the same as what we had done in in here. Okay, I'll just make it for you to be able to see it. Okay, clearly. So the same with this one because auto increment. So the first will be assign a value of 1. So this one will be also the same here. So it could be okay, okay, program ID is equal to 1. So it's also it's just the same. This is how SQL will work because it is auto increment. So I hope you can still understand that this is generated by SQL. Okay, so we did not set it, but we just anticipate it because this is based on our diff design. This is how the SQL will react. Okay, so we have 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why we have it? Because on the majors, we have also need a program ID as their foreign key. That's why we all know and set aside how we can get the ID for that. Okay, so in this one, we will now forward to majors. So the same thing after that we drop the table majors if exists and then we create and here in this part we will going to um insert into the table 2F majors And the only thing, the column that we have, because major ID is auto increment, so we just directly to major code and major name and also program ID. Okay, so that's it, and then we can set values for that, and on for the values, open close parentheses. So BSAS and BSIT to have BSI Information Technology to have majors. So we have Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology has a major. So we can set that. We have here CPT that is intended for computer technology. And this one assign a program ID of for bachelor for that will be 3. So that's why. So this one belongs to linked to the Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, and the program ID for that is 3. So that's why we have 3 here. So we have another one. We have ALT, and this one will be electrical technology, and the same we have 3. We have also other one. We have ET, and this one will be uh, automotive technology, and we have also have 3 because that's for College of Industrial Technology. We have also ELX, that is electronics technology, another for College of Industrial Technology, and we have also last one FT, that is food technology. So we have also 3. So I guess we have already set this one. And we have another, we have an upper creme. I think there is no major. For fisheries, I don't think there is no major. Oh, for the business administration, we have also majors there. So we can set to, okay, we have FM, that is financial management. That is intended for the program ID. We have here that is 7. Okay, 7. So we have here 7 as your reference. Then we have here another one, HRDM, that is Human Resource Management. That's HRM, sorry, HRM, Human Resource Management. Management. Okay, that's also 7. And we have another one, um, MKTG, that is marketing management. Marketing management. I guess that's how I still remember for those for that for this BSBA. Okay. So for another one here, we have for education. We have B.Ed, major in. We have general, major in general education. I think basic education, general education. I think uh, general education, and that's intended for BEd, that is 9. Okay, if you can still follow with me with the reference. And last, we have also uh, we have social sciences. So, sorry, that's SOCSI. So that is social sciences. That is for 10 because here for the secondary education program it is 10, and we have also English Eng, and we have here English, still 10, and we have the last one is math, and this one is mathematics. It's still 10. Okay. So why we have three? Because this one is under budget for three. We have here Bachelor of Science, Industrial Technology. Why three? Because this one when we add, because this one is auto increment. So that's why when we add this one, it will have the value of program ID equals to one, and this one will be two, and this one will be three. So that's why three is Bachelor of Science, Industrial Technology. So that is why we have this word three. We have seven because seven would be the business administration, and nine would be the elementary education, and 10 would be the secondary education. Okay, so those now we don't have a major, so you don't include for that for the record. And also for the minor, there is no seed for the minor because at the moment we don't have minor. So I think that's it for the minor. So all we need to do is to save it and we will run it again. Just check if our sump is running. So we can just open the drive, go to sump and go to control panel. Okay. And we'll start here, and open also our browser and type here localhost phpMyAdmin. As you can see right now, we have tables, but there is no records. Okay, that is what we done on our previous video. So all we need to do is go to this one and on the database, click import and choose a file. This I think that is also a file that we had previously, and the name is Alejo SMS2 SQL. So Alejo SMS to okay this one and click import. Oh, we have a problem. Trap table exists. Hard update parent now. Foreign key constraint fails. Okay. Trap database because we cannot trap. Okay. So we have to. How can we do it? Because if we drop this, because we already have done. Okay. So prior to this, we have to drop everything prior to the creating using the database here. So we have to drop here, okay, these departments, instead putting it here, we will going to drop everything here to eliminate the error. And the same also here, we will drop everything first before creating it. Majors, um, minors, insert programs. So we'll drop everything. Then after that, creating a table. Okay, let's try to run if this code will execute. Import, choose a file, Alejo, okay, and then import. Okay, delete updated now string files. Drop table exists token. How can we do it? Okay. Okay, so I think that's a problem. Okay, so for that, stay put on all the codes. I think we have to preserve the codes where they are at the moment. Okay, so all we need to do is to make okay, create database if exists. Let's put here um, drop database. Okay, drop. Okay, add for a while. So drop database. Let's copy. If not exists, let's because it exists. So if not exists, if exists. Okay, so this one. If exists, okay, and we will drop this one. So that we are going to entirely delete the database, and after deleting the database, we will create that one. Okay, we need to necessarily create this one. Okay, because we cannot delete individual records because we are now link it on our previous video. So let us import again, choose file, and Leho, this one, and import. Okay, error exists, position database, drop database not exists. Okay, drop database. Sorry, drop database if exists. Okay, okay, okay. That's okay. Look for a file again. Import. Okay, we have a problem. Department. It created, but what happened? It creates. Sorry, it's how now drop. There are some words that there is a drop. Okay, let us try again. Let us check all of everything. Because of the Sublime, it keeps me. When I enter it, there is a drop. So let us check it again. Import, choose file. Okay, this file and import. So it works. We have now departments and we have now the data that we have seeded in our SQL. We have also majors. Okay. So it's the departments we add it accordingly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can check on our codes, that is what exactly happened as our prediction. Okay. So for majors, for programs, so we have here BCS for one. So here we can see for the ENOB also in the for this one engine ENO-DB, also ENO-DB. So we can directly, we can see on the because we reference it, and when we click this one, we can see we can now link into the department, which is customer sciences. Meaning, what we had already done is basically we define the relationship, and then when we have now values assigned to it, when you there is now, for example, in the BSIT, that's technology, when this one, when we click, it is assigned also. So this how really our database really works because we define it in our DDL. That is how our table structures look like if you have the table. So if you have a record. So have the programs and the majors, minors and majors. So majors, like for example for CPT, it's under for the CIT. When you click that one, that is correct for the Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology. This Bachelor of Science Industrial Technology is also under with the College of Industrial Technology. Okay, so everything is working good. Okay, for the mathematics that is intended under the Bachelor of Science in Education, secondary education, and in this one is under the College of Teacher Education. So this one really perfect. So we have now reference. We link all uh, the data. So this how it will look if you are on the second normal form. So this is a wrap. Thank you for following and hope you have learned something in this video. Bye bye.